Hello my friends. I have just received this little charger for DJI Mavic Mini batteries. Stay tuned to find out how to use it. I ordered this gadget from eBay for about €10 with free shipping. I also checked that there is a similar one in Amazon. Choose whatever you want from the links on the description to get yours. This is DJI Mavic Mini Charger. With this gadget you can charge your Mavic Mini battery without being attached in the drone. This is very useful because I don't have the DJI Mavic charger hub. With this, I can charge one battery that is in the drone, and the other battery with this device. There is a LED on it showing the status. If its charging is red. If the battery is charged, the LED turns off. If it's flashing means that there is no battery attached to the charger. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Stay safe.